Welcome back. We need to get the message text from this edit text and send it when the user clicks on this send button to the corresponding and the correct child node in Firebase. So we need to get the message to the correct group, to the correct chatting group. For that, I want from you to focus with me because it's very tricky. Open repository, and inside the repository, I need to create a new function called send message. Public void send message. And inside this function, I need to write the algorithm that send the message to the correct chat group. For that, I need two parameters: the message, which is of type string, and the chat group. In this function, I can use the same Firebase instance, but I can't use the database reference because it's variable. It depends on the chat group child. So for that, I'll create a Firebase database reference equals to database.getReference, and inside this reference method, I need to pass my child, my chat group node. Now let's check if the message text is not null. So if message text trim equals to this, I'm using this negation operator. So if the message is not null, then I need to send it to the database reference. Chat message, I need to push object of chat message. So for that, I'll create chat message object, new chat message, and inside it, I need to pass 3 parameters. So if we go to the model chat message, we have 3 parameters: sender ID, text, and time. Is mine variable will be detected automatically according to the Firebase current user UID. The first one is the UID, so I'll get it from Firebase auth.getInstance.getCurrent UID. The second parameter is the message itself, which is passed as a parameter. And the third parameter is the timestamp. So system.currentTime in milliseconds. This is my message object. I need to push it to the database reference. But at first, we need to create an arbitrary key. So here I'll make a string random key equals to database reference dot push dot get key. Here I'm generating a random key, and last step is the reference dot child random key dot set value to the message. Here I'm generating a random key for the message, and here I'm setting the value of this key to message object. Key value pairs. Okay, it's very simple. And by the way, we learned about this in the previous videos and in the Firebase introduction. Now let's move to the view model and call this function. So view model, I'll create a new message, send message method, public void send message. In the same way as we done before, we need to pass the same parameters and the same returning type. And here I'm going to call repository.send message, the message itself, and the chat group. Again, go back to the chat activity, and here I need to handle the click events on the send button. So binding dot, and I need to define an ID here to the button. I name it as send button. Back to the chat activity, send button dot set on click listener, new view on click listener. And by the way, you can write it here by on click attribute and call the view model instance that we created before, vModel.send message. But let me test at first the chat activity, binding.send button. It's the same. Here I need to call vModel or my viewModel.send message. And what is the message? I need to get it from the edit text message equals to binding.edit text chat message.get text.toString. The message. And what is the chat group? The chat group, we get it inside this string. So I need to pass group name. It's very simple. Now we're ready to run our application and test it and see if there is any errors